Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'm telling you some exciting piece of news which will be about OpenAI's former chief scientist. So OpenAI's former chief scientist is starting a new AI company. So, Ilya Sutskever is launching SafeSuperintelligence Incorporated, which is an AI company startup that will prioritize safety over commercial pressures. So, I'll be telling you all about in this video. So, stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So, here, the person, OpenAI's co founder and former chief scientist, Ilya Sutskever, is starting a new AI company which is focused on safety. And he said it in a post on Wednesday that Sutskever revealed that Safe Superintelligence Incorporated, and the short form is SSI. It's the startup with one goal and one product, creating a safe and powerful AI system. Means they will create a powerful AI system. They will create an AGI that would be powerful and even more intelligent than humans, but safer. It won't be dangerous to humanity. It would be safe for humanity. That is the goal in his mind. The announcement also describes SSL or SSI, sorry, not SSL, as a startup that approaches safety and capabilities in tandem, letting the company quickly advance its AI system while still prioritizing safety. So, means here they're prioritizing the safety above everything. They want to quickly advance the AI system while also prioritizing the safety because they also call out the external pressure AI teams at companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft they often face, saying the company's singular focus allows it to avoid distraction by management overhead or product overcycle. So he said that these kind of pressure AI teams happens at AI companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. They often face. So here, this is the post of Twitter. I've already opened it here. So here they said super intelligence is within reach. And building safe super intelligence is the most important technical problem of our time. Means they wants to create an AGI would be safer because they said this is the most important technical problem at our time, like nowadays. So he said we've started the world's first straight shot SSI lab with one goal and one product, a safe super intelligence. And it's called Safe Superintelligence Incorporated. So he said this is our mission, our name, and our entire product roadmap because it is our sole focus, means this is the main focus. And he said our team, investors, and business model are all aligned to achieve SSI, means they're all aligned, they are together to achieve SSI. And then he said, we approach safety and capabilities in tandem as technical problems to be solved through revolutionary engineering and scientific breakthroughs. He said, through scientific breakthroughs and revolutionary engineering, they plan to advance capabilities as fast as possible while making sure our safety always remains ahead. So here they say that this way we can scale it piece. So he said instead of getting the pressure, we can make the product faster and even prioritize safety instead of the pressures from other things. So he said these are the offices and where they said we have deep roots and the ability to recruit top technical talent. He said we are assembling a lean crack team of the world's best engineers and researchers dedicating to focusing on SSI and nothing else. So here the team is will have the best engineers and researchers who will be dedicating to focus on the safe super intelligence and nothing else. So here they said they are also offering an opportunity to do your life's work and also help solve the most technical challenge of our age. So he said now is the time, join us. So this is by Ilya Sutskever, Daniel Gross, and Daniel Levy. And I'll be telling you all about these two also, that who are these two also. So here, okay. So here he said that this is our me. Okay. Now last year, what happened? Now this person is behind the firing of OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. So he joined with the board members, with the other board members in firing Sam Altman. I'll tell you why it happened. So here, Sutskever, he left OpenAI in May And he gave a hint that his project will start. Now, after Sutskever left OpenAI, even AI researcher Jan Lake announced his resignation from OpenAI. Means after Dr. Sutskever left the OpenAI, then Jan Lake also announced his resignation from OpenAI. Means Jan Lake is also leaving OpenAI. And even Gretchen Kruger, a policy researcher at OpenAI, also mentioned safety concern when announcing her departure. Means she also is leaving OpenAI. She said because she's concerned about the safety of the AGI. Means she said that the safe AGI which are being created or the AI system which are being created, she's concerned whether it's safer for humanity or not. So these are people are leaving OpenAI. Now here in the next vlog, here he said that in November, Ilya Sutskever joined other board members to force out Sam Altman. Means the company's high-profile chief executive has helped found a new artificial intelligence company. Now the new startup is called SafeSuperintelligence. Now here they said because how SafeSuperintelligence, it's a machine that would be built more intelligent than humans, but in a safe way. Now, Dr. Sutskever left OpenAI last month and announced that he would be starting a new project, but he did not provide the details. And even they declined who is funding the company or how much it has raised. She said it will build safe super intelligence and the company will not release other products. Mean they will just build an AGI that would be safer and more advanced. So it's kind of an open AI's rival or competitor, or you can say the enemy. Now here they said Dr. Sutskever founded the company alongside Daniel Gross, who worked on AI at Apple. Means Daniel Gross worked on AI at Apple and Daniel Levy also worked with Dr. Sutskever. Means when Dr. Sutskever left the company, uh, Daniel Levy also left the company. Going backwards, not to the past, but past 2 years when it was November 2022 when OpenAI captured the world's imagination with the release of ChatGPT. It was an online chatbot that could answer your questions, write papers, generate the code, or even make conversation with humans. And even they can find issues in the code and even fix that also. So how it was captured by the world and everyone found how ChatGPT was such an amazing chatbot. Now here what happened. So Mr. Altman became the face of the movement toward generative AI as he met with lawmakers and investors around the world and testified before Congress. But in November, Dr. Sutskever and three other OpenAI board members unexpectedly ousted him. Why they fired him? Because they said they could no longer trust him with the company's plan to one day create a machine that can do anything the human brain can do. Means they said they could no longer trust him. And why they could no longer trust him? It is because he did not tell them about the ChatGPT plans or about the release of ChatGPT. The board members came to know about ChatGPT through Twitter. So through Twitter, they came to know about ChatGPT and the release of it. Then after that, how Sam Altman came back. Days later, what happened? After hundreds of OpenAI members, they threatened to quit. Means they threatened that they will quit OpenAI. So they had to bring back Mr. Altman. And then Mr. Altman returned as chief executive. Means he returned as CEO after he and the board members agreed to replace two board members. Number one was Brett Taylor. So to bring him as a board member, former Salesforce executive, and Lawrence Summer, a former US Treasury Secretary. So these two became the board member after Saltman returned. So then after that, Dr. Sutskever, he effectively stepped down from the board. And then last year, what happened? Last year, it happened that Dr. Sutskever helped create what was called a Superalignment team inside OpenAI that aimed to ensure that future AI technologies would not do harm. So last year, so now you say it's 2024. Last year, 2023, Dr. Sutskever, he helped create a team which was called super alignment team inside OpenAI. Their aim was to ensure that the AI systems would be built, it would not do harm. He was concerned, like how others in the field were concerned, that AI could become dangerous and it would destroy humanity. So that's why this team was built. And then Jan Lake, who ran the super alignment team alongside Dr. Sutskever, also resigned from OpenAI. He has been since hired by OpenAI's competitor Anthropic. Jan Lake left the company, OpenAI company, and he was hired by OpenAI's competitor Anthropic. Anthropic is also a company which is founded by OpenAI researchers. So this all thing happened, and I'll also show you the website. Okay, so this website, SafeSuperintelligence Incorporated. So this is a simple HTML. They use simple HTML. Like if you right click and inspect, now you see here the head, the body. Yep, this is the body. Okay, this is the body. Now you click this one. Here you said div. It's like the whole container. Inside it, there's the H2, means the heading 2. P is for paragraph, means they wrote in P, like the simple language is used. And then at the end, this was BR. BR is for break. And then after that, they use anchor tag, which is like for linking. So this contact one, if you click on this, it goes like to some other page. So when I click on this, you see here, it goes to some other page. And here also, they said for those interested in joining our company, join at this. So you can click on this to join. This is the company link. And here for the questions, you can click on this. So here you can see this is the anchor tag. So that is all for my side. Thank you so much.